We're very lucky on the project to have an incredible client who is very committed to the arts and to architecture, and a collaborator on the project as well. The form of the house was originally conceived as a concrete ground floor base and then the two metal clad levels above it. And then morphed into just becoming this single form, all clad in one element, high-tech aluminium skin consistent everywhere. With the colour of the facade, we've got this very simple monolithic grey colour and some little highlights of a coppery colour. With the sunlight and the changing conditions, that grey, black can go from very sort of cool blue right through to almost golden tones when it reflects the sun. From the outside, the building presents perhaps an imposing form. Once you've found the entry door and walked through it, you experience something quite else again, this explosion of colour and materials, and also a stunning collection of art everywhere. The three-storey steel stairwell is a key element of the building. You walk up, it makes a beautiful sound as you step on it. The ceiling height throughout the entire house is 2.4 metres only. Part of what was driving that is the need to stick within certain height controls and fit 3 stories in, but you think 2.4 a bit too low, it should be higher, but it actually works really well in terms of the spatial dimensions and also the fact that the spaces flow out to the terrace. It doesn't feel at all low or constrained. Me personally, and for our practice also, the key notion is that idea that God is in the details, that you follow through with every last detail. You document and you work with your builders and you take it through right to that final point that you're happy with it, your clients are happy with it, and that you can walk away satisfied that the project is as it should be.